Hello students, I welcome you to time classes. This is the short session on, as you can see on the screen, sentence rearrangement. We will take up a few questions, to be precise 5 as you can see on the screen, and discuss them in as great a detail as possible, and we'll deal with them as you would in the exam. Okay, this is not a practice session, this is like a test kind of session. Of course practice, but of the examination level, not the happy slow kind of practice session. Okay, so here we go. The directions say, in the given question, a statement has been divided into 5 segments, each of which is denoted by A, B, C, D and E. Rearrange all the segments to form a coherent statement. Coherent means something that is grammatically and logically correct or acceptable. So let's attack the first question. So in the exam, what do? We need to look at possible beginners, okay, or at least eliminate the ones that cannot begin at all. You see, for example, A cannot start. You cannot start a sentence like that, and unfortunately many ignore this critical fact and begin. You cannot start a sentence like that, which means the choices 5 and 4 are already rejected. Why A cannot start? Can B? Of course B is not there anywhere in the choices. We do not look at B. What about C? To think of it only when they are in the 50s and approach. To think of it, what is it? What is it? Okay, not clear when you start with C. So C is also rejected. What about D? Invest more in a smaller time horizon. Invest more in a smaller time horizon. Okay, doesn't make sense, but could be a beginner. What about E? E is also possible. Planning one's retirement becomes difficult with every passing year. See, so E is definitely a more likely beginner than D, but let's check D first. Okay, this choice with D says, D at the beginning says D, B, C, E, A. So let's see. D, invest more in a smaller time horizon. B says planners who establish that one will have to. Doesn't make sense at all. So DB doesn't make any sense, which means we reject 1, which means 2 has to be the answer. Let's check it. EACBD. E says planning one's retirement becomes difficult with every passing year. Okay, and unfortunately many ignore this critical fact and begin. Okay, C, to think of it only when they are in the 50s and approach planners who establish that one will have to invest more in a smaller time horizon. Makes perfect sense. So EACBD 2 has to be the answer. You see, this is how you should eliminate and select the answers in exam. Okay, of course you should have advanced knowledge of grammar as well, no doubt about that. Without that you cannot do much. So let's go to second question. Okay, which says, the first of which says, emphasize that she would not speak. So A cannot start, obviously. Emphasize that she would not speak. Who is she? So which means 1 cannot be the answer or 5 cannot be the answer. Can B start to do this one occasion because? Obviously again B cannot start. So we reject 2. What about 3? 3 says, 3 starts with C, right? For other backward classes, she ventured. Who is she? No context at all. So 3 also is wrong, which means again by the process of elimination 4 should be the answer. Let's check it. 4 says DACB. Although the minister had previously, emphasized that she would not speak. Okay, C for other backward classes, she ventured. Okay, B to do on this one occasion because she firmly believed that it was necessary now. So obviously 4 is definitely a good possibility, and because we have eliminated the others, 4 has to be the answer. So second question, the answer is clearly 4. Very easy. Let's go to third question now. Okay, so can A start? 3 major banks may bring. Yes, it can start. So let's check. 5. 3 major banks may bring. E, huge advantages in the long run. B, which is yet to take off between. No. So suddenly it has run into lack of clarity. So 5 is wrong. Okay, A cannot start, which means let's see B, which is yet to take off. Obviously B cannot start, so we reject 2. Can C start in spite of the fact that the proposed merger? Yes, C can start. Okay, C can very much start in spite of the fact that the proposed merger. This option we need to check now. CBADE. In spite of the fact that the proposed merger, okay, which is yet to take off between three major banks, may bring, okay, in spite of the fact that it may bring what? B. Okay, sorry, D. Okay, some disadvantages there are, huge advantages in the long run. That's perfect. So 3 makes clear sense. In spite of the fact that the merger, may bring some disadvantages, in the long run it will give huge advantages is what the author is saying. So 3 is possible. Can D start? Huge advantages in the long run? No. D cannot start, so we reject 1 and 4. Okay, so the answer for third question has to be 3. With which we move to the fourth question, okay, which says, okay, to recognize some loans made in the past. It's a participle start, okay. So we can start like that. So let's check, 4 and 5. 4 and 5 have AB. One says ABD, one says ABE. Let's check. To recognize that some loans made in the past are unlikely to be repaid, okay. Then D or E, like other state-owned lenders, okay, that's what ABD says, okay, like other state-owned lenders. C, okay, which control about 2/3 of assets in the banking system, okay. E, SBI repeatedly had to adjust its quarterly profits, okay. So 4 is better than 5. A, B, E, C, D doesn't make sense. To recognize that some loans made in the past are unlikely to be repaid, okay, SBI repeatedly had to adjust its quarterly profits. Which control? Obviously that doesn't make sense, right? Okay, so profits do not control 2/3 of the assets. It's the banks that control. So EC is not correct. CE is possible. So 5 is wrong. 4 is possible. Let's see if D can start. Like other state-owned lenders, okay, can we, go after D, what should come? The state-owned lenders are the ones that control, right? So it should be DC. So it should not be DB, okay. DB says like other state-owned lenders are unlikely to be repaid. That doesn't make sense. So DB is wrong, but DC is possible, okay. So like other state-owned lenders which control 2/3 of assets in banking system, okay. Then EAB, right? SBI repeatedly had to adjust its quarterly profits, okay. Quarterly profits, what is that? AB, to recognize that some loans made in the past are unlikely to be repaid. Yes, this is also possible. So DCEAB is one possibility. The other possibility is, as we thought, ABDCE. Now we need to select the one that is more grammatically sensible. Okay, so what will you say? Will you say, okay, like other state-owned lenders which control about 2/3 of assets in the banking system, SBI repeatedly had to adjust its quarterly profits to recognize that some loans made in the past are unlikely to be repaid. Which is this? This seems to be more logically coherent, grammatically coherent. Whereas this says ABDC, to recognize that some loans made in the past years are unlikely to be repaid, okay, like other, okay, state-owned lenders. Now it means, okay, are you saying, okay, the comparison between other state-owned lenders is about adjusting the quarterly profits or recognizing that some loans made in the past are unlikely to be repaid? You see, that's a complicated point. What is SBI doing which is similar to other lenders? Is it adjusting its quarterly profits or is it actually recognizing? Okay, now if you logically see, they both are adjusting the quarterly profits. Why? To recognize that some loans made in the past years are unlikely to be repaid. Which means, okay, this adjustment is the main thing being done for this thing. Which means this thing should not come before adjustment. Which means this option AB, okay, DCE is wrong. So the final correct option should be 1, okay, DCEAB, which is option number 3. Okay, 4, 3. With that we move to the fifth question, the last question. And what do we see here? Can A start? Let's see, India's second biggest private oil refinery. Yes, it can start. Can it be followed by D? Okay, refinery which is in the final stage of selling its crown jewel, CBE, to a consortium led by Rosneft. Okay, such is the story. No, there, the logic has got broken, so 3 cannot start. Can B start? Such is the story of the SR group. Yes, B can start. That's a way of introducing a story. Such is the story of SR group. Okay, now which means B can start. BD. Okay, which means after B, D should come as per both the choices. Which is in the final stage of selling its crown jewel. What is the crown jewel? Obviously must be a company, because SR group is a consortium, right? Sorry, a company, okay, or corporate company. So it should be A, BDA, India's second biggest private oil refinery. So it is in the final stage of selling its crown jewel, okay, India's second biggest private oil refinery, to whom? To a consortium led by Rosneft, a Russian oil titan. So C, which means ACE should be a correct combination, not CAE. So we reject 5. So 4 is possible answer. Let's look at D. Can D start, which is in the final stage of selling its crown jewel? No, obviously not. So which means the final answer has to be 4. So 5th question, the final answer is 4, with which we move to the thank you gesture. Okay, so I thank you. I hope you understood the stuff that I discussed. Hope to see you again. Okay, all the best. Thank you. Goodbye.